Right about now, I'm about 102 kilos. I started this journey at 105 kilos or 105.5 about a few weeks ago, like not like I think a month ago. So it's been like a learning curve for me, and I definitely know what I need to do to get back to the weight that I used to be. So my goal is to get down to 75 kilo, which is the weight I was about 3, 4 years ago before I had a toxic relationship, before I had a binge eating disorder, etc., etc. And then on top of that, I want to lose a little bit more weight because that was like my not my ideal body that I had, but it was close to there. So I think with my height, I want to go down to maybe 60, 65 kilos. So I am 177 centimeter. So I'm Victoria's Secret model height, but obviously not the, other stuff. So yeah, I am a person that does not believe in shame anymore. And my whole life I've dealt with shame, and I think that's where a lot of my body issue, weight issues, food issues stem from. So I know that this time if I want to lose the weight in a healthy way, keep it off and be healthy and be happy in my body and not feel ashamed about anything, I'm going to have to do it differently, and that's what I plan to do. Now, when I call myself obese, I don't want anyone flipping out because I am obese. Like I am 102 kilos, guys. Okay, let's sit with that. Last year, before I started fasting and losing weight, like a year and a half ago, before I got a bad job that like literally ruined my sleep and my routines again, and then I let myself go again. I was fat, okay? Before that, a few years ago, I was overweight. Before that, I was skinny, okay? I know my body, it's not just about weight, but let's just say that every 10 kilo, you kind of change in brackets, and your insulin resistance does also change with time and with how you mess up your body. So I'm obese. I have insulin resistance. So how I plan to lose the weight this time around will be something like this. Right now, I'm fasting anywhere between 12 to 20 hours a day and having like 1 or 2 meals. I'm trying to make them as healthy as possible, but again, I don't want to restrict myself because I don't want to trigger past behaviors and patterns, okay? I just want to eat healthier and more mindful and take my time while eating, not like shying away and like hiding myself while I'm eating, or not eating around people. It's, that type of thing. That's shame derivative, and that's how you keep on the weight, and that's how you stack on the weight in private. But my goal now is to do some kind of like short fast, extended fast, kind of like rolling fast, to lose the bulk of the weight that I know is not meant for me to carry, and it's just too uncomfortable for me to carry right now. So I think for the first month or two, I'm going to try a schedule of fasting and feasting. So that means I'm not restricting myself. I'm going to fast, have black tea, black coffee, some soda water, and then when I break my fast, I'm gonna break it with like healthy food. And then I'm also gonna have some of the foods that I like to eat, because like I'm Persian, so we eat a lot of rice with stew. Those are heavy. Those can like impact your body, but I still want to be able to eat food. My other issue is that I need to start getting more movement in, okay? Since gaining the weight, I've stopped going to the gym with my mom because I'm just too embarrassed, right? So I don't want to shame myself, and I know that if I start lifting weights like crazy, or if I go back and do those HIIT classes, I'm going to be so hungry and my body's going to freak out. So right now, all I want to do is to get at least 10,000 steps a day. I'm not even getting like 5,000 steps right now, so I know I can do it. I know I have to push myself. I know I have to like get out of the house more, which will be good for like more than like one thing, right? So this is a little bit my schedule that I'm thinking to try. It would be fasting from Monday to Friday, feasting, like not like over feasting, but like actually eating like a regular meals and whatnot on Saturday and Sunday, and then repeat for maybe the next 1 or 2 or 3 months to see how it affects my body, how I feel my body, if it works through some of my insulin resistance, if it helps with like, having some autophagy every week, just like trying to basically recalibrate, because I know that after everything I put my body through, it doesn't need that much, and I can see it now. I can see myself. I eat because I'm stressed. I eat because I'm bored. I eat because of emotions, okay? And not because I'm actually hungry. Because when I fast and then I start eating, I'm like, okay, I actually want to eat something healthy. Okay, I want to eat something good, you know? Like, I want to enjoy my food, if that makes sense. So that's what I want to do. So hopefully, okay, right now we're gonna start October. So I have October, November, December. I am hoping to lose that excess weight. So it would be nice if I get down anywhere between 80 to 75 kilo by January. And then from there, it's probably gonna slow down. I'm gonna probably have some extended fast. Maybe I'm gonna go back to like OMAD or intermittent or how you call that, alternate day fasting, because you know at some point like you're gonna have to stop fasting for that long. And yeah, so if you want me to film the whole thing, let me know if you want daily TikTok updates or if you want weekly YouTube videos. I'm gonna go back to my YouTube channel. So just let me know. Also, if this is triggering, if you don't want to lose weight, if you're in recovery, please don't watch these kinds of videos. I think this is self-explanatory. I know it's harder than it seems, but definitely like take care of your mental health. That's why sometimes I don't even, start or challenge myself when I need to take care of my mental health first. So what I made sure right now is I made sure that my nervous system is regulated. I made sure that I started sleeping again because like I said, I had a job where they could wake you up at any time of the day and any time of the night, and I would be waking up and like sleeping in stress, and I would go like 2 days without sleeping, and that's how it fucked up my metabolism even more. So yeah, let me know what do you want to see. If you want to see daily updates, weekly updates, if you want me to vlog daily or if you want me to vlog weekly, and if you want them both on TikTok or YouTube or vice versa. Guys, I've lost weight a lot of times before. I know that fasting works, and fasting you can actually keep that weight off for a long time, so long as you keep up with healthy habits and healthy ways of being. If you're gonna start binging every day and like not moving your body, obviously you're gonna at some point a year or two is gonna pass and you're gonna gain back the weight. But I know how to lose the weight. This time, I just want to lose it and keep it off. That's why I said I'm going to start moving every day. I'm going to start eating healthier without like restricting. And yeah, so overall, it's like a whole challenge in every aspect. And, I could easily go and do an extended fast again. Like, I could easily go and extend my fast from 20 to 60 days because I have the body fat for it. But I don't want to do that, right? It's not fun. It's not fun to not eat or drink anything that's not water for like 60 days. And it's also dangerous, with the refeeding. If you go for that long, even if you have that much body fat, it can be dangerous. And I don't want to take that risk. I want to do small extended fast and like fast and feast cycle. So yeah, let me know, what do you want to see. I hope you're taking care of yourself more than just your body and your looks. I hope you're taking care of your mental health and valuing your sleep, your energy, and all that kind of good stuff. So let me know, and I'll most likely come back with an update daily.